guys, this is Karen Rocket, and today we are going to review Jeffree Star new highlighters. Yes, I have 4 with me. I purchased my 4 favorites, so let's give it a try. If you like this look, then keep on watching. The first liquid highlighter that we're gonna use right now, it's gonna be this Crown Jewel, and it looks like this in the bottle. This bottle is so cute and so freaking original. So let's open her up. This is my first time opening this bottle, by the way. So I know you have to push like this thing to like dump the product. Whoa, that was a lot. But I don't even need to do that because it has a lot in here. And I'm gonna put it on my eyelid. I'm going to dinner tonight in LA, so it better last all night. Jeffree, it better last all night. I'm gonna use this brush from Japanese, I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's 727. So this is how much product I'm gonna use on my eyelid. Guys, I'm scared. But I trust Jeffree Star with my soul and heart. Okay. Oh, oof, 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 oof. Now the formula is very oily, so I really don't know if it's gonna stay on my eyelid all night. I did put eye primer before putting any eyeshadow. So hopefully that helps and holds the liquid highlighter. But I guess the only way to see and find out is that we're gonna have to put this piggy on trial. I'm gonna be too judgmental on the eyeshadows just because this is a highlighter, it's not an eyeshadow. Jeffree Star did not say, hey, use this as an eyeshadow. So I just wanted to try and see how it looked. Now give me a second while I put my eyeliner and lashes, and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back. I put my lashes on and we are looking so far like this. The formula dry. The only thing that I'm complaining right now about this little experiment that we just did is the pigmentation when kind of didn't disappear. As you can tell, it's still there and it looks beautiful, but it's not as intense. Now let's use the highlighter for what the highlighter was made for. Our cheeks, chin, nose, underbrow, and chest. Next highlighter we're gonna use under is this one, this Beauty White Snowy, and this one is Frostbite. Let's dump it in here. Ugh, baby. Looks so good. All right, I'm gonna use the Chanel brush. This is number 1, and it looks like this. It's also a flat brush, and what I'm gonna do, I'm literally just gonna do this tiny bit, and this is how much product I got. It's right there. Now the formula is like really liquid and oily, so I don't know if it's gonna stay there. All right, so on camera this looks amazing. Wow. I'm gonna wait a little bit for the formula to dry, and then we'll come back to this. Now I'm gonna grab this brush, and this is a brush by B Bella, and number 132, name is Detail Crease, and it looks like this. It's just a little tiny fluffy eye. All right guys, so this is what it looks so far. Now I am noticing that it's taking a bit of time for the liquid to dry. I want to blend this a little bit, so I'm gonna use this brush to blend the eyebrow a little bit. All right guys, so I got it to blend a little bit, and this is the final look on the eyes. You guys tell me if you guys like it, love it, hate it. What's the thoughts on this? What's the team idea? Now moving on to our beautiful cheeks. To use this one, and this one is Karen. I'm kidding. This is Got It. Use this huge brush, and this one is by Japanese. Right here you have the name in case you guys didn't understand me. And this one is 713. Let's see what she looks. Oh my god. Why was I scared about this? Look at that. It looks... Now let me just blend it a little. And I like to do this kind of connected to the eyeshadow. Now I love it, you guys. I seriously love it. Wow, it looks like holographic, or what do you say? Whoa, that hitting the light right there, that's just not. I use this foundation brush and just like do that just so it cuts that line. Honestly, this is my favorite highlighter. I never seen a highlighter this beautiful. Like here in the bottle, it doesn't even make justice. But here in the, oh my god, I'm just having a moment, y'all. Next one is Frozen Peach. Frozen Peach look like this. So let me see. Okay, so I'm putting some, but I really don't. Okay, so I kind of see it. Alright, I'm not gonna be scared this time. Alright, so I definitely see it now. Okay. Okay. So it's right there. And I'm gonna put the rest right here. Okay. So the formula, I'm not loving the formula on this one. I'm guessing they use different ones, but on the tip of my nose, it kind of looks weird. I'm gonna use dirty, what the fuck is this? I'm gonna use Frozen Peach on my lips just to give it like a glow. And since we're gonna go out at night, like dinner is at 8:30, so it's gonna be perfect. We're gonna go to Rao, and it's a really dark place. It's an Italian dark place, you know, there's Italian restaurants, and so I'm gonna be shining in there. So let me put it on top of my Karen Can Rocket lipstick. Camera, look a little bit like a chola. Alright guys, on my lips it looks like this. It definitely brought my lipstick to like a nude tone. Put a little bit right, and just guys, now I'm definitely glowing. And I love it. Guys, if you like this video, please give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to leave a comment with your thoughts, please do so. Thank you for watching Karen Can Rock It. Mwah! I'll see you in the next video, rockers.